I will choose always Kailash. That at Kuber Nagar, if they were coming, they were not happy.
Okay.
And within 10 months, they are coming. That second time they are coming. अभी आ रहे हैं वो वापस.
Okay.
That हम अब आएंगे. अब आप कैलाश में रहते हो ना, हम वापस आएंगे आपसे मिलने.
Wow, that's nice. हर हर महादेव, कैलाश की कहानी, कैलाश फ्रेंड्स की जुबानी, सीजन 1, न्यू एपिसोड विद एंकर आयशा, योर होस्ट एंड दोस्त. टुडे आई बॉट अ टीचर फॉर यू. पता है ना, टीचर गुरु होते हैं. हम जो हैं उसमें से काफ़ी जो चीज़ें हम में आती हैं वो हमारे टीचर से आती हैं, और काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसी है जो हमारा टैलेंट है, हमें नहीं पता होता है, लेकिन हमारी टीचर ढूंढ निकालती हैं. तो ये टीचर से पूछते हैं इन्होंने क्या ढूंढा कैलाश में. तो मिलते हैं रश्मि जी से. हाय रश्मि, कैसे हो?
हेलो, आई एम फाइन. आप कैसे हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप टीचर हैं कितने साल से?
10 years.
10 years से. वाओ, दैट्स अ बिग स्पैन ऑफ टाइम.
Yes.
और कैलाश में कब से जुड़े हैं?
Last 10 months.
लास्ट 10 months. वाओ, 10.
Yes.
या दैट्स गुड. जब आप यहाँ नहीं रहते थे, पहले कहाँ रहते थे?
कुबेर नगर.
कुबेर नगर में. ओके. तो आपको क्या डिफरेंस लगा वहाँ रहने में और यहाँ रहने में?
Main especially this area is developing right now, in which Kailash is starting its schemes.
ओके.
Always developing area they are choosing. So while you are doing investment, it's always growing.
करेक्ट. तो you thought with the perspective of investment and the area growing.
Both.
Yeah.
While you are doing investment for living also, then also each and everyone is expecting
Correct,
that your
correct.
investment must grow,
Correct,
not
correct.
go down.
Correct.
So for that prospectus, and as a teacher I have find out many of the things. जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि I always prefer discipline.
True.
Discipline means in our regular life we want discipline in cleanliness, we want discipline in maintenance. So here in Kailash we all are getting cleanliness, especially जो हमारा kids play area and library से बच्चों में reading habit आती है. ये सारी हैबिट्स मुझे मेरे बच्चों में डेवलप करनी थी. एंड नाउ डेज दे आर ग्रोइंग. अभी अगर उनमें वो ग्रो नहीं होगा तो एट द एंड प्रॉब्लम.
करेक्ट. तो मतलब एज अ टीचर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपने ये सब चीजें ऑब्जर्व की
यस,
है.
किड्स के फ्यूचर के लिए कैलाश.
तो आपका मेंटेनेंस कैसे होता है? मतलब
हमारा मेंटेनेंस अभी तक तो सोसाइटी, अभी तक तो ऑनर के हाथ में ही है. वो मेंटेनेंस एकदम क्लीनलीनेस होता है. मतलब कहीं पे भी आप एक
but you have someone who is taking care of that?
one manager is appointed.
Okay, you have a manager who manages everything?
Yes,
And he
maintenance
maintains-
manager.
Okay.
He maintains lifts, he maintains even gym, library,
Okay, all the
and
amenities.
outside area. If you are sitting in senior citizen area, then also it's too clean. And
Wow.
while you are getting every time fresh air. While you are entering in Kailash scheme, at that time you are getting peace.
Okay. And what you feel that when you come to Kailash, what makes you feel happy?
That many of the things are there. While you are entering in gate, at that time the air comes from another side that gives you peace. And at entrance only we have Lord Shiva's temple.
Okay.
Another thing that I love, terrace garden.
Terrace garden.
That is,
Yeah, Ojas Terrace Garden is very beautiful.
yes, in any other of the scheme that is not available.
Right.
We are doing yoga and other activities. Even kids are enjoying that terrace gardens. And any of the that we can say relative comes to my house, they are always that praising that thing. They are
Wow.
appreciating
Yeah.
that terrace garden.
So you must be feeling so proud of your
Yes.
choice, yeah?
Yes,
And on the top floor you're doing yoga. That's like
Yes.
amazing.
amazing.
The
In the
feeling-
morning or in the
Yeah.
evening, while you are going there, that you are, and from that we are getting different views.
Correct.
That you can see the runway of airport and all.
Wow.
So that is amazing.
Very nice. And what about the activities? Do you participate in activities that we come up with?
Yes, Kailash is always organizing different activities, online as well as offline activities. Recently, Mother's Day celebration was there, and some online contests they are organizing. So as a working woman, I am not getting time. So while I am getting time, I can join that online also.
Okay, you mean offline contests you're not able to attend because of your working hours?
Yes.
But you attend all the online contests.
Yes.
Okay. So do you enjoy those contests?
Yes.
Okay. And how many people do you have in your family?
We are 6 people.
Okay. So all of them are enjoying?
Yes. All of them are in.
They all have a different satisfaction with different things,
Yes.
with all generations.
We all
so you can
are
explain a
satisfied.
little. Do you have senior citizens in your family?
Yes. I
So
have
what
my,
do they admire in Kailash?
They especially like that walking area, that now no need to go outside for walking. They can maintain their health. And on other hand, in the evening they can go in temple and they can sit there. They can talk with their friends, and even kids can play there and they can manage them. So it's easy to manage them.
Okay, so you mean the kids are playing and they are themselves also enjoying with their
Yes.
friends, and at the same time they can go to the temple. So all three things can balance together.
Yes.
So you don't have tension about the kid then.
Yes.
Okay. And how do you think, like, from the time you've seen Kailash, like 10 months back, how do you think it's growing?
That the name is enough only. Kailash name is enough only. That from 10 months I am living in Kailash, but before 2 years I have booked my flat. Before
Okay.
2 years,
Okay.
means 2 years past. At that time, that only my husband heard the name that this is Kailash scheme. So we were searching that one only, that where new scheme is going on, and with affordable budget, luxurious flat we got in
Okay, so that
Kailash.
is luxury in budget again.
Yes.
Okay. So after you've come, you're staying in Kailash Ojas, right?
Yes.
So after you've come to Kailash Ojas, are there new projects coming up which you have observed?
Kailash Aura, then 151, and one more is going on.
Kailash Rudraksh.
Yes, Kailash Rudraksh, nearby. That
Yeah, so
in front.
you have noticed all the three of them.
Yes.
Which one you find the best? Like listening to the name or just seeing the construction?
151.
Okay, you like Kailash 151.
Yes.
Wow.
That is luxurious scheme.
Yeah.
So if I will get chance, I will definitely book again there.
Oh, wow. So you want
My
to invest?
sister-in-laws are living outside, out of India. They are also trying to invest in India.
Okay.
So they are thinking to invest in Kailash only.
Wow. So yeah, 151 is a great deal for them.
Yes.
True. So that's good. You're globally, the brand
Yes.
is going globally because of
Yes.
you all, the references that you all are giving. So it's always the client who's satisfied and happy. And if they give their references, it matters a lot to us. So that's
While they
so
are
good.
coming, that at Kubernagar, if they were coming, they were not happy.
Okay.
And within 10 months, they are coming. That second time they are coming. अभी आ रहे हैं वो वापस.
Okay.
That हम अब आएंगे. अब आप कैलाश में रहते हो ना, हम वापस आएंगे आपसे मिलने.
Wow, that's nice. So that's a
Yes.
proud feeling.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Rashmi ji, I would like to ask you a few questions. They are rapid fire questions. You just need to answer quickly whatever comes to your mind. Okay? So, if you were not staying in Kailash, you would stay where?
I will choose always Kailash.
Okay, so you don't have another option in your mind.
No.
Okay, so if not Ojas, which would be the other scheme that you would like to stay in?
Aura.
Aura. Okay. So, Shivalaya or Rejoice?
Rejoice.
Rejoice or Ojas?
Ojas.
Ojas or 151?
151.
Why 151?
Because I heard about that many of the amenities are increased, and even safety is more there. And right now we have 3 BHK. Might be there. If possible, we will purchase 4 BHK.
Okay, so you want to grow.
Yes.
With Kailash, you also want to grow.
Yes.
That's
And
good.
definitely I will grow.
Yeah. So do you feel the positive vibrations as you're staying currently?
Yes. Where we are staying at that place, each and everyone is cooperative. All members are very good, and the positivity that I have already shared about that Kailash temple is there. We are feeling like heaven.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Rashmi ji, for your time, and it was amazing talking to you. So ये हमारा एपिसोड था कैलाश की कहानी, कैलाशन की ज़ुबानी रश्मि जी के साथ. आई होप आप लोगों को काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस मिला होगा इससे. तो नए एपिसोड के लिए जुड़े रहिए मेरे साथ. This is Anchor Aisha. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share Kailash Reality Private Limited on Insta, FB and YouTube. Har Har Mahadev.